Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Hotze, and I'm here today with a guest of ours for the last 6 years, Mary Canali. And she has got a wonderful, remarkable story of how she did a 180 and took charge of her health 6 years ago. So Mary, what was going on 6 years ago in your life as far as your health that made you decide that you wanted to try a more natural approach to health?
Well, I was diagnosed with interstitial cystitis, fibromialgia, depression, and I hate to use that word because it seems like, you know, my mood swings were up and down, so I hate to use that word.
And you were having the mood swings associated with your menstrual cycles, right?
Yes, I did, and I was in so much pain, and I didn't know what to do, and I went to many doctors, and they're like, you're depressed, they want to put me on depression medicine. I knew, I prayed, my Heavenly Father answered me saying that that is not what it is, and to continue to seek out what we need to do for you. And so I heard about you, and I called. I was so grateful. My husband and I prayed and fasted over this decision. My husband came to me and said, look, this is what we need to do. And when we came to you, it was simple. It was very simple. It was like, what are your symptoms? Here's your blood work. Come back. Let me put you on some of these hormones, these natural hormones. Was the scary part, because I didn't want to be on any kind of chemicals or anything like that, because I knew through prayer that wasn't the answer, and I knew that it would be something, the program that you had put me on. I couldn't believe it, how I felt.
And so, when you saw Dr. Sheridan, right?
I did.
Okay, and so he said the most important thing you do is get on a yeast-free eating program.
Yes, when I got on that program, it was hard. I'm not going to lie to you about that. It was pretty hard because I was so used to eating not very good and healthy. Right. And so it was a little struggle. So I got everybody on in my family on this program, and everybody else seemed to be feeling good as well. And then with the hormones, I had lost weight.
How much weight have you lost?
I've lost about 40 pounds.
That's tremendous.
It is. It really is. It's embarrassing to say, oh, I've lost 40 pounds, but you know, as life goes by and you know you're doing your everyday things, you're rushing to eat and feeding the family and stuff. You don't always make the most conscious health choices. However, since I've been with your clinic, is it a clinic? Center. Sorry about that. Yeah, since I've been with them, I feel completely different. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be able to be a walking billboard for your center, and I just feel amazing and great.
So what's your energy level on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being brimming with energy, 0 no energy? What was your energy when you came in?
It was a 1.
Okay.
I'm a 10. I'm a 10.
Hey, let me ask you this.
Yes, sir.
Can your husband tell the difference?
Oh, my husband, yes.
So I like to say this. We helped Mary get her life back, and we helped your husband, what's his first name? SJ, get his wife back. That's what we do. But really the kudos go to Mary. Now Mary's a realtor with Abbey Realty here in town, out in the Woodlands area. So if you need a home and you live out in that area, don't hesitate to give Mary a phone call. But Mary now has taken charge of her health, and she's 6 years into the program and done exceptionally well. I wanted you to see that so that you could understand that you too can take charge of your health. When you decide to do a 180 and take charge of your health, we have a very solid program that's been successful for the last 30 years at the Hotze Health Wellness Center, and it will be a privilege for us to have an opportunity to serve you. So Mary, congratulations for what you've done. I'm proud of you.
You and Heavenly Father both. Thank you so much.
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today.